Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will explore Power BI, one of the top data visualization tools available. Let's dive into what makes Power BI stand out. Power BI is a strong data visualization tool from Microsoft that turns complex data into easy to understand interactive reports and dashboards. What makes Power BI special is that it's one of the most popular tools in the industry. It stands out for its effectiveness and comprehensive features, which is why many organizations use it. Power BI offers a collection of visualization options, including charts, graphs, maps, and tables. You can customize these visuals to highlight key insights, trends, and patterns in your data. For example, you might use line charts to track performance over time, bar charts to compare categories, or even maps to visualize geographic data. Why is this important? Good data visualization helps you and your team understand the key points quickly. Instead of digging through lots of data, you can see important insights right away. This makes decision making easier and helps with better planning. Some of key features are interactive dashboards. Users can interact with visualization, filter data, and drill down into specifics, providing a dynamic way to explore and understand data. Customizable reports tailor reports to meet specific needs or preferences, ensuring that the most relevant information is highlighted. Real-time updates. Visualization can be connected to live data sources, ensuring that your reports always reflect the most current information. Power BI's strength is turning raw data into clear, useful insights with interactive visuals. This makes it a key tool for making confident, data-driven decisions. Before you can create visualizations and analyze data, there is an important step called data transformation. This involves cleaning and preparing your data to ensure it's accurate and ready for analysis. A significant portion of your work in Power BI will be dedicated to this transformation phase. For this, Power BI uses Power Query, a tool that helps you import, clean, and shape your data. Power Query makes it simple to address errors, change formats, and combine data from different sources. By effectively transforming your data with Power Query, you set the stage for creating precise and insightful visualization in Power BI. Once your data is transformed, the next step is to connect multiple data sources. In Power BI, you often work with various tables that need to be linked together. Creating relationships between these tables allow you to combine and analyze your data interactively. This process is known as building your data model. In Power BI Desktop, you will transform your data using Power Query. Build your data model by connecting and relating different tables and create your visualizations. This is where you handle the entire process from cleaning and shaping your data to designing interactive reports. Once your data is ready and your reports are created, you can then publish them to the Power BI service for sharing and collaboration. When you create reports, you might want to share them with the team members or stakeholders. This is where Power BI service comes in. It allows you to publish your reports to the cloud, enabling collaboration and access from anywhere. Additionally, Power BI offers a mobile app that you can install on your smartphone. This app ensures you can access your reports on the go, keeping you connected to your data wherever you are. So, to recap, Power BI is a powerful tool for data visualization and analysis. The majority of your work will take place in Power BI Desktop, which is why we'll start by downloading and installing it on your next session. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more content, and leave any questions or comments below. See you in the next video.